Hey Bloomerinos, are you ready to make a bow with me? I'm going to show you how to make a fun flowing 3-loop bow out of some 1.5 inch ribbon. This is wired ribbon, and you want to decide how long you want these tails flowing out of this piece. And I really like a good amount. I already have this beautiful flow coming of the eucalyptus. So how about if we came like halfway down that? So just measure that. That's probably about 20 inches, just eyeballing it. And then you're going to take that and twist that in your hand. So easy. And I'm going to make my first loop here. Okay, it's up to you how big. Generally 5 is going to be fine for this particular project. So about 5 inches. Okay, and then I'm holding that and I'm going to twist it again, okay? It's okay if you go between your hands. Now I'm going to bring my other loop up. So right now I've made just like a regular bow, basically. Really cute. And I'm going to twist that again because we're not done. We're going to make another loop. This one's called a 3-loop bow. And I make all the loops the same length on this particular one. You can adjust that or change that how you want, but this is a cute little look we got. So you have 2 on one side, 1 on the other. And when you're to that point, you are good to go. I am going to use some heavy duty wire because we're going to be able to pin this right in the foam on this arrangement. So just go right through the center to hold that, and you can twist it. All right. I usually use cable ties and all that kind of good stuff. But this one, I actually need a nice strong wire to put it in there. So we're good to go, and I'm going to take and make this one a little shorter. And I am just angle cutting these. You can dovetail them if you want, but I just angle cut both those tails. Now, that was easy, right? This is called a 3-loop bow. Really easy, and the only thing we do is twist when we come to the center. As long as we are not finished and we're making another loop, then we twist it. All right? And you see how the tails kind of come flowing out like that? These are great to use in these situations. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be tucking this right into my wall pocket, right up in there. And I am going to trim the wire off a little bit. And you might even want to take and just kind of twist those 2 wires together so you get like one long continuous piece. And then I can poke that right into my wall pocket. And here's the fun part. This is a nice neutral bow that we're putting in that can go for, every season. But when you make some neutral pieces like this, you can always change up the look by coming in and changing the bow for all the different seasons. Whatever you want, you could add it to be a holiday, Valentine's, whatever you want. Just pop a 3-loop bow in the center. We could even do patriotic. Mother's Day, Easter, all of that. And then when you get into the fall, we can put a little kind of fall inspired bow on there. So these type of projects are not just for one holiday. They're great to use for all the seasons and great to fill in with. So with or without the bow, this is a super cute project, but you can make that bow and you can even have this go up or down or whatever you want. Come around this way on the tail, flow through the back. Look. Da, 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 da.